What the hell is this?
Mankind knew that they cannot change society. So instead of reflecting on themselves, they blamed the beasts, heaven, or hell.
Martini.
Black Snow!
Anyway, we're gonna have a great show tonight, everybody. Thank you all, you're beautiful people. Anyway, today's show, Crow's gonna make his debut on live television, and tonight's topic is addictions. Like, for example, there are a lot of addictions that ruin people's lives, like drugs, cars, robot fetishes, and hold on, my thing doesn't. Oh my God, look at this Instagram post.
Dude, get on with the show!
That's okay, shut up, man. Anyway, we're gonna have a few guests on here tonight. Let's get on with the show! Hey, man, we're going to
The Candy Crushers.
Die! Where are the photos?
It's right there. Anyway, so who might you two fine gentlemen be?
My name is Ben,
I'm Alex.
and we are addicted to Candy Crush.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That
That's
horrible,
it.
horrible game.
Really? I don't
I
know.
can see that. I can see that from your these faces. I can see that. So Ben, how has Candy Crush ruined your life?
Well, it ruined my life in two ways. The first way was that I wanted to find out if there was some sort of mechanic behind this, and I did a lot of analysis and research and found out that it's a game of luck, not skill. I know this because the game tempts you in getting certain combinations of candies. Then when the next batch falls down and the man says all that stuff, then you won't get far in achieving the level. And the second reason is because I spent my whole university buying lollipop hammers.
Wow, sucks to be you.
Yep.
Anyway, it's been nice having you two guys out here. Thanks for showing up and talking about your addiction.
Thank you very much.
Woo! Woohoo! My next guest is from parts unknown and is struggling with an addiction to negativity. Please help me welcome Reese's Pieces.
Reese's Pieces.
What's a menage a trois?
So, where did this negativity come from, Maurice?
What do you care?
Well, we all want to know, right?
Yeah. I hate that. Why does everyone have to know everything about my life?
Just, I'm a talk show host. I gotta know what you're talking about, why you're so negative, man.
Oh, I don't know about that, man.
Could you just explain where all this negativity
Fine, but
comes
you'll
from?
regret it. So basically, my wife left me for the milkman next door. Let me see. Well, my brothers died also. All my friends dumped me for that rich, popular loser next door. Let's see, what am I forgetting? Oh, right, I was born with baldness. I currently have cancer. I once got beaten up by a bunch of demons and then stuffed in a graveyard for, what, 2 hours now or something? Let me see, what
Can I
am I
just get
forgetting?
off? You're not bald.
I know.
What? Oh,
Say
great.
you're-
Now I'm even more depressed.
Oh.
I've always wondered what it would be like to have bald hair. Yeah, well,
It's alright, buddy.
at
Do
least
you
someone.
want a hug?
Well, I hate hugs, but why not? Can't get any worse.
Anyway, thanks for being on the show, buddy.
Thanks. I was actually glad to be here. Surprising.
Yeah, let's
Nice.
go. That's our shout to Reese, baby. Shout to Silver Clip.
Hey, Kane, nice scooter. Did somebody steal a tricycle?
Stupid way to burn fat.
the smart way to burn fat. Stacker 2, the world's strongest fat burner.
Sorry. Anyway, our next guest is from the faraway country of Kazakhstan, and his name is Vladimir Amandius III. Please welcome him, everybody. Come on.
You know the Curtis in the washing machine.
So
I enjoy American chair. Oh, the craftsmanship so smooth. Not like in motherland where all chairs made out of granite and tears of children. Oh.
So I heard you were hunting for the porpoise.
I not hunt for this. I kill with spoon. Oh. But anyways, yes, I am hunt for this. Because I must have been his grandfather. You see, he make grandfather go cuckoo for borscht puffs, and he no make sense. Every day repeat the same thing over and over and over. They had to take him to a mental sickness hospital, of course. I mean, it's all the way here in America. But so yeah, they say the only thing that can revive him is blood of Portis. So that is why I am here.
All right. So where are you gonna find this porpoise?
I find it in the jungle of in jungle somewhere. All I know is that it is native to America.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
You have a look of uncertainty on your face. Do I make you nervous?
No, I'm just a little confused.
Do I make you nervous? Look me in the eyes and tell me. I spit on your cups.
Alrighty, thank you for being on the show. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Performing from their King Crimson Polka from their upcoming self-entitled EP, here's Crow. Let's have a party. Oh, come on.
Okay, for Alaska, take 3, A-Mark. And action.
Dame i gospoda, show Noah Martini i вот ваш козьен, Noah Martini! Да. Спасибо, большое спасибо. Сегодня на нашем шоу мы поговорим об охоте на экзотических животных. И я знаю тебя, и ты меня знаешь, так что пойдем в лес.
Take 1, A-Mark. And action.
Теперь dia naszego pierwszego gościa этот современный телефон. Да.
Hello, ladies. How are you? You may not know me, and I may not know you. Do you know why? Because I'm trapped in a cellular phone. Somebody help me now.